KHADC to initiate a geographical survey in border region of Meghalaya and West Karbi Anglong from 1st September. Office of the Dwarbagri Press Club inaugurated at Dwarbagri on 26 August. Ex-Rukasan College Students Union Body in collaboration with ex-Rukasan College Student Union Society organized Felicitation Come Awareness Program. Come One, Come All, 4th Autumn Women and Men's Football Running Tournament Come Awareness on Addiction and Human Trafficking at Atpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak on 5th September to 8 October 2022. Organized by Community Health Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a Unite of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi. NGO partner, UNICEF. For more details, contact Sharon Sarmin Hanse, Project Officer, CHDP, and call 8638398440. Wishing you all a very good morning from Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council issued a notice to all the village headmen of Mausaldiang, Umatu, Shantat and Lumse villages in border region under KHADC, Meghalaya for geographical survey to advance towards the proposition of give and take policy adopted by the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya to resolve the long-standing border disputes between the neighboring states. With the space of survey set by the government of Meghalaya at the bordering regions in West Karbi Anglong district, there is a high chance of losing some section of land from West Karbi Anglong district through the policy of give and take policy. Due to the introduction of this policy, the civilians at the border regions in both sides are in a state of confusion at the moment. The citizens of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong are also worried, tense and curious at the same time. They wanted to know from the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as they seems to remain silent on this crucial matter. Or is it a sign of embracing and acknowledging the give and take policy to resolve the border disputes, question the citizens? Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has a total land area of 10,434 square kilometer. The representative of KAAC often speaks about the protection and preservation of the land and assures that they won't let even an inch of land to be given to others. But those commitments seem applicable only in speeches, as the citizens of Karbi Anglong have not seen any such constructive measures taken by the authority to preserve the 10,434 square kilometer of KAAC till date. Himari Rongpar's report from Mulukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live. Dwarbagri Press Club was founded in the year 2021 and since then there was no permanent office for the club. Therefore, on 26th of August, the permanent office for Dwarbagri Press Club was inaugurated. Sarkoi Rongpar, VDC chairman, attended as a chief guest and inaugurated the office building during an early hours of the day. Mongol Singh Terang, chairman of Dolamara Municipal Board, Mondor Singh Ingti, president of APHLC Dwarbagri, Thomson Terang, village headman, Theong Sahab Group and several dignitaries from the region attended the inaugural ceremony. Sarkoi Rongpar, VDC chairman, while speaking to us informed that he was delighted to learn about the formation and inaugural ceremony of Dwarbagri Press Club. Now all the citizens would be updated and vigilant through the help of the media house. The knowledge of all the government schemes and projects would be known to the people of Dwarbagri. Earlier, the citizens had to invite the journalists SMS from Bokakhat to get their issues and grievances addressed. But now we have a press club right here.
Athe media ilitumulong kidu pinangana kijoidu. Athe kala halo pinangana lam kamukha birta chipachoyi phan akijoi bandu. Manitum soden edet punon. Upani man kunani ronglong tinangji hormu kili tong thikthi sarkar long pali nangji hormu pali tong thikthi lai hui awar sai ke media tum silong.
Bidasing Ingling, president of Dwarbaguri Press Club, while briefing the media, expressed his gratitude towards Richard Togby, local MEC, as well as the executive member of KAAC, and well wishes for extending their support to Dwarbaguri Press Club.
Dwarbaguri angka Komphang song lapen Radachari song lapen Jasimet ECF Polarat Crew lapen Rongwe Block Sakhi tum lapen ang parta Hongdung akorti tum pan ha kicheng itum Dwarbaguri Press Club seng nang pupenang cerab na chitudun alang tum pan ning aklong panili churolo at alang tum jongsi nang ceraban di sante pinia ni litum lapang so me itum bitekhe lapen itum Dwarbaguri Press Club itum seng ban thek dat hai.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 26 August, ex-Rukasan College Student Union Body, in collaboration with ex-Rukasan College Student Union Society, jointly organized a felicitation cum awareness program to newly admitted HS first year and TDC first semester students at Rukasan College Auditorium Hall. The felicitation cum awareness program was started from 1 p.m. onwards at Rukasan College Auditorium Hall. The program was presided by Sampri Bey, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Kiran Togby. Assistant Professor Dr. Harvey Ingtikat Harpi attended as the chief guest. Binut Terang, Sumit Timungkiling, ex-General Secretary of Rukasan College Student Union Society, Sachin Rongpi, ex-RCSUS, Jeevan Bey, Sarmen Hanse, Hukur Singh Teron, ex-President Secretary of RCSUB, Rohan Bey Bijoy Rongphar, ex-activist of RCSUB, present President, Vice President, Secretary of RCSUS, present President, Secretary of RCSUB attended the program and graced the event. To encourage and motivate the students for their further studies, the newly admitted students from HS first year and TDC first semester to Rukasan College were felicitated with a Karbi souvenir, poho, notepads and pens. Dr. Harvey Ingtikat Harpi, chief guest of the event, while delivering her words of encouragement to the students, spoke about the competitiveness era, advises the students to give utmost priority to education along with sports, culture and social activities. Sarpari Ingtikat Har's report from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.